Kalbarri National Park. Let's go. Woohoo! Just in Kalbarri National Park. Trying to find something to stay. I reckon we're going to crash at a station ranch where they keep loads of horses. Sleep underneath a horse for the night. Do a bit of horse whispering. $30 a night. Not bad. Should be up here on the left somewhere. If not, sleeping on the streets again. I reckon. You just went past it. Drugs. Ew. Rude to say that. Here in Kalbarri on a big river ranch. Last day of the road trip. Stolen his hat. Text me from the sun. Spend the night here. Go have a little run around. It's not a bad view out there. Then tomorrow, I'm gonna go and check out the river gorges in the national park and then head back to Perth. Kalbarri National Park, Western Australia. Last day of the road trip. Pretty decent way to end it, I reckon.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls starting.
So that just now was the Z-Bend lookout. We're hiking down to the river now. Maybe go for a little swim. Oh fuck, should probably look where I'm going. But yeah.
Whoa,
Just finished the hike down to the river. How's that? Not bad. Might treat myself to a little swim. Probably not though. Maybe catch some fish, spear fishing, who knows? I'm gonna try and make it across to this rock.
oh lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. Oh, I wanna be your lifetime.
Jump in of the river.
When you're singing that song, I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're singing so wrong.
Hi.
There's two trails when you drive down here to Kalbarri. You've got the Z-Bend and the loop. The Z-Bend's when you go down to the river. This is a loop here. $12 to get in. Right, I suppose. Make sure you take some water. But yeah, water. Like that. Kind of run out of memory on this thing, so I'm filming on my phone. Good on you, mate. This is the canyon, river gorge, the loop down at Kalbarri. Pretty decent. What do you think, mate?
Sick.
Just going around to Nature's Window at the loop. Hi guys, just here at Nature's Window in Kalbarri Park. For the whole park.
They come on star, lady, running down to the river, taking away to the dark side. I will keep your lifetime, 'cause I love when you're singing that song. I got a lump in my throat.
So that's it, the last stop on our road trip. We're going to head back down to Perth now. Back to civilization, electricity and hot water. If you're ever here, make sure you go right down to the edge of the cliff where there's the potential to fall. Living on the edge. The drive out of Kalbarri National Park is pretty smooth, all in all. Make sure you let some air out your tyres.
I just gotta know. You're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. Think she's destined for the screen.
So I've just finished driving for 6 hours down from Kalbarri to Perth. And now I've got to jump in the shower, get dressed, make myself smell nice because I'm late for a family dinner. And look at my room. This is what happens when I get back from travelling. Everything looks shitty. Wish me luck. Ready? 3, 2, 1, yeah.